What's up guys, in this video I will show you how to delete your WhatsApp account permanently. Firstly, launch application and then simply click on the three dots on your right upper side. Then you need to select the second selection, settings. Now as you can see, you need to go for account section and right down you have delete my account on the last selection. Just click on that button and here it says what you need to do or what it will be if you delete your account. It says that will delete it from your WhatsApp or erase your message history and all of that stuff. What you need to do, you need to fulfill all these informations, your country, your phone number. If you change your number, you're gonna change it instantly on that button, or you can just, when you fulfill all this information, just type on delete my account and automatically will be deleted. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.